Hello there, my name is Tom Squalo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this is going to be another super urgent Bitcoin update because Bitcoin right now, and you've read it right, it's actually breaking out, and I'm again not in the office, I'm again on my way to a very important meeting. So I really had to create again a video from my car. I know that you guys and girls love these videos, so make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On for being there on duty for you always at all times. And always make sure to watch this video from the beginning till the end because we're going to take a look at the technicals. I'm gonna put in a very important reminder and also gonna show you an incredibly important chart that is gonna tell us a huge story and is gonna answer the question whether you should put in a long trade right now as well. So without any further ado, please, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. And guys and girls, it is time for you to join my free Telegram channel, which is down in the description, so that you're, because I've posted something very important last night and it saved people a lot of money. So, and I told them to close the short trades that I've mentioned in the other video previously, and a lot of my community members made a lot of money. So that's all very awesome from all these small Bitcoin speculations back and forth. So join my Telegram channel right now. Pause the video, spend 3 seconds joining my Telegram channel, and get back to this video. And yeah, so let's just, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it because I don't have really much time to spend here. And you will see right here, we are seeing this. Let me get the brush. You're seeing this breakout happening right here, right now, out of this falling wedge. Out of this falling wedge, let me just choose it again, out of this falling wedge right here in this instance, which is absolutely incredible. So it is happening already, guys and girls. The breakout is here. There is a little bit of volume as well. Again, as you know, you really want to see some volume. However, the big question is, and everybody's screaming at me on Twitter, and follow me on Twitter, just a verified account, and my Instagram, by the way. If you're getting messages from me from Instagram right now, know that those are fake accounts. I'm currently not on Instagram. We're still getting my Instagram account back because of Instagram algorithms has again disabled my real Instagram account. So we're gonna get it back in the coming days. So if you're receiving messages from Tom Squalo on Instagram, know that those are fake and those are complete scams. So now, a very important thing that you have to pay attention to and understand when you're gonna try to, either if you want to get into this long trade. And this long trade right now is not a bad idea overall. However, if you're gonna be doing it, then do it over on Bybit. And with my exclusive link, which you can find down in the description of this video, you'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses and 0% maker fees for 30 days, which is epic. So use this huge opportunity. And remember that there is an online trading competition happening of Thomas Squalo right now with a $50,000 prize pool, and also a top winner takes a guaranteed seat at Squalo Trading Show Season 2, which is awesome. So go participate. It's free, and all the links are down in the comments, down in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. So so if you want to really take this long trade on Bitcoin, then this is a very good opportunity for you. But the big question is, when it comes to the current long trade, should you really do it before the Fed meeting? Because the Fed meeting is coming literally in a few hours, and there's going to be huge volatility. And the answer is yes and no. So no, from the standpoint that, of course, you're going to see huge volatility. So if you're going to have a very short stop loss, you might get stopped out, because this meeting, oftentimes they're live broadcasted, and there's going to be a lot of volatility during this broadcast. So the Bitcoin can jump up and down a few percent here and there, and this is also a possibility. However, here is some hopium for you guys and girls in my favorite YouTube family. And as always, I'm Tom Squalo, I'm Mr. Hopium, so I'm always happy to give you some hopium. And some hopium is going to be, let me just find it right here, this chart right here. So this actually depicts the moments of FOMC meetings. So the Fed, basically, these vertical lines show us the meetings previously. It was posted by Johnny on Twitter. So, and every time when we saw a Fed meeting with the interest rate increase, would actually see a rally to the local high. So basically, the previous time when it was happening right here, it took the price to 45,800. Now the next time took the price from the bottom right there of 30-something thousand to $48,000 right here. And then the big question is right now, is this history going to repeat itself? And something is telling me, and something is telling me that yes, it might repeat. So if you want to put in a long trade right now, it's going to be high risk because of potential volatility. But at the same time, it could be that, 97% of people are voting that Fed is going to increase the interest rates by 75 to 100 basis points, which is already priced in by the market. So it shouldn't affect it too much. So the only potential downside is here, this 3% risk that Fed is actually going to do something that they didn't say that they might do. And in terms of, start fighting inflation much harder and announce something during their closing remarks or something, is going to be perceived by the market as very negative. So that could actually, turn the table. But this is a 3% risk. So for that reason, I'm actually considering myself to put in a long trade as well. It's just that I'm in the middle of so many things and I didn't get a chance to check everything myself at my trading desk. But nonetheless, what we are seeing right now is absolutely beautiful. And actually, let's go back to the trading view. You will see that this kind of a situation, as I actually showed you, let me turn off the damn brush, as I've actually showed you previously, is very similar to this wedge right here, which was oops guys, I'm not professional with my phone right here. So this is what was happening in this area, and we had this falling wedge before the big explosion right here upward in July, August of 2021. A very similar situation happening right now. And by the way, there's Burj Khalifa somewhere over there. Doesn't matter. So this is something that you could potentially do for yourself. Again, keep your risk and money management straight, but you will probably have to sit through this volatility today during Fed meeting. Or if you want to be on a safe side, and this is, another opportunity for you to be safe. But again, always remember that the more risk, the more potential return. So it's always like this. There is always this direct correlation. If you want to be on a safe side, then you can wait for the Fed meeting, join in, see what's going on, and then make your decision then whether you want to long this breakout or not. Either way, a great place to do it is over in Bybit with my personalized link. You get a huge bonus, which is going to be usable for your real trading, so it's real money. And enjoy. Let me know down in the comments if you've enjoyed this video, and leave me a like. But if you don't want to like this video, that's fine. Just enjoy this awesome content as well. As always, from your boy Thomas Krallo, Mr. Spot On, and thank you very much for watching. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.